Dear viewers, the topic which we will discuss today is why Pakistan has refused to attend meeting in New Delhi on Afghanistan. Meeting scheduled on the 10th of this month. A meeting of national security advisors which India is hosting. Invitations were sent to Pakistan, but Pakistan refused to attend. We will discuss why it refused. China, Russia, Iran, Central Asian neighbors of Afghanistan like Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, their national security advisors have also been invited to attend meeting in New Delhi, because India after August 15, like the United States, is like an injured lion, very angry. If the US has closed its diplomatic mission in Kabul, same has been done by India and other Western countries. But India is a major player in Afghanistan, don't forget that. It has an age-old influence and role in Afghanistan, whether we like it or not. Except the first Taliban government, 1996 to 2001, when India was termed as a hostile country by the Taliban, and it led to the diplomatic rupture in relations between India and the Taliban-led Afghanistan. And who can forget that when an Indian airline plane was hijacked, which was traveling from Kathmandu to Delhi by a bunch of hijackers, was forced to land in Amritsar, then in Kandahar, Afghanistan. That was December 1999, end of December 30th, 31st, 1999. And then the hijackers had demanded that India should release like Maulana Masood Azhar and other prisoners who were in Indian jails, their involvement in the alleged terrorist activities, particularly in its occupied parts of Jammu and Kashmir. So Jaswant Singh, the then Indian Foreign Minister, in a special plane took the prisoners with him who had to be released by India, and that special plane landed in Kandahar. Prisoners were released, including Maulana Masood Azhar, a proclaimed offender and a terrorist. And then Maulana Masood Azhar, after he was released in Kandahar, in exchange, because the hijackers had threatened that if the prisoners were not released, they will kill passengers. So Maulana Masood Azhar, with the connivance of the Taliban authorities, escaped to Pakistan. He was allowed to. Instead of being arrested, he was allowed to. So this is what is Afghanistan's importance historically for India. So India wouldn't like to leave the field open in Afghanistan, and it has support of United States, Western powers, to some extent Russia, and therefore it is organizing a conference of national security advisors, the countries which I named: Russia, China, Iran, and the central neighbors of Afghanistan. But the government of Pakistan, of course, it also got the invitation, it refused. An Indian spokesperson, Ministry of External Affairs, lamented as far as Pakistan's refusal concerned, but argued, stated that India understands why Pakistan wouldn't like to. So the question is, what are the objectives of India as far as the National Security Advisors Conference in Delhi is concerned? India would like to create or like to counter certainly Pakistan, because a couple of weeks back Pakistan had also was a host of a similar meeting, although India was not invited in that. Moscow conference, Istanbul conference, in Tehran, elsewhere. So India is a big country. Certainly, it is the world's second populous country of the world. It is world's fifth or sixth largest economy, fourth largest military power, and therefore its multi-billion-dollar investment in Afghanistan since 9/11 has gone down the drain. Although the Taliban regime in Afghanistan these days is not that hostile to India, but India has not positively reciprocated to the gestures of Taliban, although India tried to earlier engage Taliban. But certainly India realizes that since Taliban have a tilt in favor of Pakistan and their capturing of power, if they are able to sustain, will definitely help Pakistan and will weaken its position in its occupied parts of Jammu and Kashmir. So therefore India wants to discuss. The Taliban government has not been recognized by India, so they are not invited in the Delhi summit. Russia, Central Asian neighbors of Afghanistan, Iran have expressed their consent, readiness, and the conference will take place in New Delhi on 10th of this month. China has so far not given its consent to attend Delhi conference, but it may. So therefore, to sum up, I think the Indian diplomacy as far as Afghanistan is concerned is in league with what the United States is up to, what the West is up to Afghanistan. And therefore, if international community refuses to render diplomatic recognition to the Taliban, they will get more frustrated, they will get more angry, but certainly they are not in a position to retaliate. And their retaliation is, I don't think that their retaliation will make any difference. So India is monitoring things in Afghanistan very carefully, and that is what is basically leading India to take the initiative for a Delhi meeting of National Security Advisors on Afghanistan, and Pakistan must monitor the situation carefully. Thank you very much.